which is our New Year, and after 2-3 days is our Onam. Onam has started like 2-3 days past, but the first real Onam, which is Tiruonam, is celebrated this year on Saturday 21st. So today my grandmother is going to make a small sadhya, which will be consisting of little bit of like 2-3 sadhya dishes, and along with this pradhaman. Pradhaman is a jaggery based payasam which consists of coconut milk, jaggery and chana dal. It is a really delicious payasam and I really love it. In this, we are going to use 600 grams of melted jaggery, 600 grams of chana dal which is soaked. So this has been soaked overnight and it has been boiled, and it will be coarsely mashed. Okay, see? So the jaggery has melted nicely, and now it will be strained to remove any impurities. Now we are going to saute this coarsely mashed chana dal along with the ghee till all the water has dried up, and this will be done on low flame. We will be only using 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. So now the water has started to dry up. Now at this stage we will be adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. And we will be going on mixing it. See, like this. So as you can see, the coarsely mashed chana dal has dried up and has started to become thick. See, we have to keep on mixing it. So after the chana dal has become thickened and we have added the ghee, we will be adding the melted jaggery through the sieve so that all the impurities are gone. See, we are going to pour it through the sieve. So as you can see, my grandmother is sieving the jaggery mixture. And to save time, you can make this jaggery mixture a day before and keep it. So as you can see, a lot of impurities are seen in the siever, and that's why we sieve the jaggery mixture. And look at the color, it looks so beautiful. Now we are going to mix it nicely so that the jaggery mixture and the chana dal has mixed uniformly. Okay, so mix it nicely. Now we are going to again cook this mixture on low flame, because after we add the jaggery, the chana dal becomes again loose. So to thicken it, we are going to again cook it on low flame. And when you are melting jaggery, only 1/4 cup of water is needed for 600 grams of jaggery. After cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes, the chana dal mixture has become thick. See? So even though the mixture has started to thicken, we need to thicken it more, like something like liquidy halwa. So we have to cook it for about more 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the mixture has thickened nicely. Now this time we will be adding 1.5 cup of coconut milk. which is the third extract of coconut milk. It is really thin. So I've added it and I'm mixing it nicely. Okay, so keep on mixing it. We will again cook it on low flame till it becomes thick. So keep on stirring it. Okay, so as you can see, the mixture has become thick. Now we will be adding the second extract of the coconut milk. And we will again cook it on low flame till it becomes thick. So now mix it nicely. Keep on stirring it, okay, so that it becomes thick. So after around 10 minutes, the mixture has again started to thicken. So look at the payasam bubbling. While it is getting ready, we will be sauteing some coconut pieces and cashew pieces in ghee. So our coconut pieces and cashew pieces are ready. This will be used as garnish in the end. So our cashews are being sauteed now. Our payasam has become thick. Now at this stage we will be adding the first extract of coconut milk, which is the thick milk. After adding it, mix it and stir it nicely. So this is 1 cup of thick coconut milk. And after adding the coconut milk, we will not boil the payasam. We will stir it nicely till the payasam and the coconut mixture is mixed uniformly, and then we will switch off the gas and garnish it with the coconut and cashew pieces. So finally our payasam is ready to be served. Do try this, comment if you have tried it, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Till then, bye. Happy Onam.